Have you ever used one of those online acne-safe product checkers only to end up breaking out anyway? You're not alone. I've tested almost every single one out there, and the results? Inconsistent, confusing, and honestly, risky if you're acne prone. But here's the good news. There's a new and better way, and it involves using AI in a way you've probably never thought of. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to check your skincare, makeup, and hair care products for pore-clogging ingredients accurately and in seconds. You'll walk away knowing how to find problem ingredients before they ever touch your face, so you can make the best choices and support your acne-prone skin without the risk or confusion. I'm Rebecca, the Acne Coach. I've been treating acne for almost 20 years, and I've helped thousands of clients get results with their skin, including myself. I'm excited to help you get results with yours. When I say this works, I would know. I live it every day. And now I want to make this easy for you too. Let's get into it. Why product checking is non-negotiable. If you're acne prone, I'm not being dramatic when I say that just one pore clogging ingredient can cause a breakout that can last for weeks, if not months. It doesn't matter how clean or non-clogging a product claims to be. If it has the wrong ingredients, a breakout will show up on your skin in a few weeks. I know this sounds wild, but I'm not exaggerating. I've seen it happen so many times to my clients, and it's happened to me too. One of the worst breakouts I ever had was from an amazing facial I had on vacation in Bali. I broke out from that one facial for 3 full months later from whatever they put on my skin. Every time a client of mine uses something clogging on their skin, I remind them it can take up to 3 months for that breakout to surface, and it happens like clockwork. I have them actually put it in their calendar so they can easily trace it back to the cause and not worry that anything else is causing those breakouts, because we all know acne can make you paranoid. You've probably heard of online pore clogging checkers, and maybe you even use one. Here's the problem with those tools. Most of them don't agree. You can run the same product through 5 different checkers and get 5 different results. That's because every brand and company uses a different list of what they think causes acne. Unfortunately, your skin pays the price. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to figure out why you're still breaking out, even when you're doing everything right, pore clogging ingredients are usually the reason. The ingredient list that I've used for over 15 years has proven to be accurate. I don't use online pore clogging checkers. I don't trust them, and I prefer to check ingredients myself. But I understand that you might not enjoy reading through hundreds of ingredients like I do. And so I figured out an easy solution that will make this really easy for you. How to make AI your own acne detective. AI has made it possible to analyze ingredients with precision, consistency, and accuracy, as long as it's trained correctly with the right prompt and the right list of ingredients. This is key to getting the best results possible. The reason AI works so well is because you can give it the exact list of ingredients to check against. No guessing or conflicting results that you would normally get with online pore clogging checkers. In fact, I've created a master prompt that will turn your AI of choice into a professional level acne-safe product checker. You'll get the exact pore clogging ingredient list that I've relied on in practice for years that has a proven track record of results, which I'm all about. When you use AI this way, you can trust the results because it's not using random internet data. It's going off the list of ingredients that actually works. A quick disclaimer before we get into the how. Searching for and finding acne-safe products can be helpful, but in my opinion, you should have your acne under control before you do this. Most of the time, just using acne-safe products isn't enough to get rid of your acne, and it can lead to a lot of frustration. So here's exactly how to use AI to check your products. Here's what to do. Step 1, choose your AI platform. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok all work great and are free to use. Step 2, copy and paste the exact prompt that I made for you. You'll find it in the free guide linked below. This prompt tells the AI to flag only the ingredients that I specifically have listed on my do not use master list, and not to make any other changes or assumptions. Step 3, paste in the ingredient list from your product, either from online or from the ingredient label. Step 4, hit enter and let the AI go to work. Within seconds, you'll get an accurate result telling you whether that product is acne safe or not, just like that. Step 5, make informed decisions. If your product gets flagged as not acne safe, as an experienced acne specialist, trust me when I say do not use that product. Save your skin the breakouts. And if your product is approved, great, you can now use it without worrying. This tool puts the power back in your hands. No more relying on random online checkers. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. They trust labels like non-comedogenic or dermatologist approved, which are unregulated and don't actually guarantee it won't clog your pores. They assume a product is safe because it's an acne brand or marketed as acne safe. They check their products through random websites and get conflicting results, or worse, the wrong results. They try to fix their acne themselves without a clear system and end up misinformed and breaking out. The 3 most common ingredients I see on clean product labels that always cause breakouts: algae, shea butter, and coconut oil. These are everywhere in moisturizers, SPFs, sunscreens, masks, and makeup. And all 3 are extremely clogging for acne-prone skin. If you're not checking your products the right way, these are the kinds of ingredients that will easily slip through the cracks. Don't let them. If you want to start checking your own skincare, hair care, and makeup products today with confidence, download my free guide below this video, the ultimate AI-powered acne-safe product checker. It includes my exact prompt, my master do not use ingredient list, step-by-step visuals, links to all the AI tools I recommend, and a few examples to get you started. This guide is the same system that I created for my private clients, and now you can use it too for free. Have you ever used a product that claimed to be acne safe, but it totally broke you out? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what happened. And if this video helped you, click the like button, subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I post a new video about acne and how you can clear your skin as quickly and easily as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.